Hey guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. Obviously in today's video I'm doing something completely different. I am actually doing a hair tutorial on someone else's hair. If you do not know, I am a hair braider and I braid hair as a living on the side, and I am doing the large passion twist, but I use a different method, and so I wanted to show you guys the method that I use, which is the faux lock method at the root. So just stay tuned, keep watching this video, and the tutorial is very simple. You can just keep watching, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. So guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. If you did not, then give it a thumbs down. And comment down below. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this, used it, or if you think you would try to use it. I think that it's really good for stopping the hair from slipping out. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it.